Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Cynosure hair, and this is today's packaging that everything came in. So I got the wig, and I also got a few goodies, so you know I'm gonna use this for storage. And then we got a set of press-on nails. Also got this little bag here with goodies. I got a pair of HD wig caps. I also got this Cynosure branded elastic headband. I got a set of lashes. They're cute. And I also got this brush in the package. That's everything that came as goodies. Now let's go ahead and get into today's wig. Oh, this is Cynosure's wig that I am working with today. This is their Type 4C hairline deep curly hair, and it's a invisible HD lace that they say, invisible HD lace front. All right, that we're working with, and I'm excited. You know, it's really nice and, you know, curly in the front. As I said, Type 4C, and it's a pre everything basically. It's pre-bleached on the knots, pre-cut, pre-plucked basically. And this is how the construction look on the inside. It has a total of 4 combs. They even have the ear portion curved, so you know it's gonna sit nicely on your head. An adjustable elastic band, you know, so you could go ahead and adjust that for more security. As you know, you could remove it even if you want to. That's something there. And yeah, that's how that looks. I'm gonna put all the specifications down below, as you guys know, the length, the density, the specific link where you can go ahead and get this wig. This is gonna be very easy to work with. You know, it's beginner friendly from you look at it. From the first glance, you just know. So those curls also look so good. But yeah, the star of the show really is the curly hairline, the 4C hairline, which, you know, I can't wait to get into. And of course, it's gonna be a really nice glueless install. So let's go ahead and get into this very beginner friendly wig look. And we're gonna finesse this, so you know we can just get it to, you know, lay to our liking and stuff. The hair feels really soft, might I add. So the front, I just want to, I think I'm gonna finesse that a little bit with some water and just get it nice and, you know, controlled, more controlled looking. But before I do that, you can see a little bit of cast in the front from the lace. So the portions that do not have any hair at all, you know how I go about it. I remove those portions, you know. It just makes everything way more discreet. If the lace doesn't have any hair on it, I don't usually keep it, because I feel like if somebody is like close to me, the lace, they're gonna be able to see it, especially with no hair on it, you know. So I always just remove that. But for any other bit of cast that may be there now, I'm just gonna take my powder and tap that out. Absolutely no adhesive needed for this install. Of course, you have a choice to use it if you wish. Like if you want your install to be like in place for a prolonged period, like you want to go to sleep with it and all of that, then by all means go ahead and you'd use adhesive. But I think a plus is to know that, you know, you don't necessarily have to if you don't want to. So that's looking even better. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, I want to get the hair nice and damp so I could, like, you know, tame the curl. Well, not tame, but kind of redefine them in a sense. And then I get my little edge brush and I'll try to like play around with it. You know, it's definitely not something that's meant to look like super uniform, and you want it to just look realistic. So I'm just like redefining the edges here. Like you don't have to take it out like thoroughly like in a line. You could just play around with it, see what you like, and play around with it. Yeah, it's looking real cute. I absolutely love that, and the hair itself looks so nice and it's very full, guys. Like literally not sparse, but the star of the show is definitely the edges, and of course the fact that this is completely glueless. Okay, yeah, Cynosure hair, you did that. Is giving, it's definitely giving. Okay, and it's like soft baby hairs. As I say, if you want to pull it back, if you want to leave out less baby hairs, you can. Like, you customize it to your liking completely and just do what you want to do. But I think it looks so cute. You could go ahead and do like a full pullback look if you want to show, like, you know, the edges more. And yeah, but it's cute. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig down below in my description box, as well as all the specifications. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.